Return to wealthy coins, everyone. Today, according to Coinbase, Apple announced that customers will no longer be able to purchase SHIBA INU coins. In this video, we will discuss Apple's decision to restrict the purchase of SHIBA INU coins, as well as other recent news. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and give the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Apple wants to charge a 30% fee on any gas fees associated with net transfers carried out through the wallet app, but Coinbase claims that this is impossible. To view our most recent articles regarding the forecasted price of SHIB INUs. Without further ado, let's start the video with an expert's commentary. The SHIB price on December 3 revealed a refreshingly bullish attitude, which might result in an explosive surge, so let's watch what SHIB INU does. The price of SHIB is about to reach an inflection point, which may set off a massive upswing that could benefit individuals at a 35% to 0.00125 level. The price of SHIB, which is currently at a monthly support level of 0.933, is likely to make this move for two reasons. Since this barrier has withstood 4 bearish efforts, SHIB is likely to take off from here as well. This prediction is supported by the widely used Relative Strength Index, a momentum indicator. When momentum rises but price action remains flat, an indication known as a bullish divergence is formed. The technical structure has produced a bullish trend reversal, therefore investors should keep an eye on the next significant barrier around 0.127 for the SHIB INU price to retest. Turning that same level as a support floor will allow SHIB to tag the 0202, even though this maneuver would only result in a 35% gain. However, investors stand to win 100 to 124% if this run-up is obstructed. Coin's condition SHIB needs to remain above 0.933, unlike the original joke, which suggests a 124% increase is not completely out of the question. In the event that buyers lose interest and sell off their holdings, the price of SHIBA INU could fall to 0.689 so that SHIB tokens can reach parity with the US dollar. This level serves as support on the monthly time frame of the chart. For such a massive gain to materialize, they would need to rocket above 10,800,000 from their trading level last week. There are 5 things that must happen. Launching Sharon, a Layer2 blockchain that would drastically cut transaction fees, is the most essential item for SHIB. The SHIB token is an ERK20 coin that was created on the Ethereum network. Although Ethereum is a reliable network, its popularity can slow processing speeds. SHIB is essential for reducing these fees so the project can fund its blockchain-based gaming ambitions. In the future, the project will launch games that are driven by non-fungible tokens. The capacity to purchase and trade NETs, a cryptocurrency, is crucial to blockchain-based games. Until SHIB is released and transaction fees are significantly lowered, these marketplace transactions might be too pricey. Third, SHIB, you'll have to witness a substantial increase in merchant endorsement. Despite developers' utmost concentration on SHIB's launch and the metaverse potential for SHIB needs real-world utility to stabilize its token price. However, if SHIB is to reach $1.04, it must gain acceptance from prominent retailers. To lower what is expected to be approximately $500, a substantial amount of currency burn would be required. Has 49 trillion tokens in circulation, as reported by CoinMarketCap. Vitalik Buterin, creator of Ethereum, transmitted almost $410 trillion to an out-of-date blockchain address. A comparable level of coin burn in 2021 would likely be required to shift the needle in 2023-25th, significantly lowering the circulating supply. Finally, if Shino wants to scan over 1.25 million wallets in 2023 and moonshot over 10,800,000 per, it will need an unprecedented amount of support and chatter on social media message boards. Are most of these individuals active on social media? If so, they would need to be in order to rally support for a coin that has shown how potent FOMO can be. And 6 deals were struck between 2642 and 790 in the past 7 days. There were 50 transactions and the tokens for the SHIB were burnt. Compared to last week, when 23,456 SHIB tokens were burned on December 3, this amount is lower. By sending more than 410 trillion SHIB to an invalid blockchain address, Vitalik Buterin drastically reduced the amount of SHIB in circulation. To make a difference in 2023, it is likely that a similar amount of coin burn will be necessary. To top it all off, a Shiba Inu population boom of over 10,800,000% by 2023 would necessitate unparalleled popularity and enthusiasm on online message boards. More than 1.25 million wallets own SHIB tokens, according to Etherscan. To organize support for an asset that has demonstrated the power of FOMO, the vast majority of these individuals would have to be active on social media. SHIB updates with 8,375,655 SHIBs torched and 6 transactions completed in the last 24 hours, the burn rate increased marginally by 36%. There was a destruction of 26,427,790 SHIB tokens in the past 7 days. 52 transactions were finalized. Compared to last week, when 212,345,678 SHIB tokens were burned, this figure is lower. With a small decrease in value over the past day, SHIB was trading at 93 cents on December 3. Ever since it bounced back from its November 22 low of 81 cents, SHIB has been consolidating, and the range is getting narrower by the day. Perhaps a change is imminent, as this suggests. Still, nobody knows how bad it is. It appears that consolidation is likely to occur before the big move, since the daily RSI has flattened. Well is an Italian burger joint, and in February Shirgu began working with them. Community participation in decision-making was the motivation for proposing the DAO concept. The Wells Deal approach was put to the test in late November when its decentralized organizational group DOG was introduced, according to a blog post. The partner design firm Massa Spazio presented 3 different interior design concepts to the community, and they were invited to choose the best one. Members of the Wells community will make future franchise site decisions using the DOG methodology. Store design, franchise sites, menu options, and packaging are all part of this process. Funds allocated to SHIB holders, which will constitute 15% of future net store earnings, will be best spent by the Shibu community through a separate DAO. After Apple announced harsh new NFT limits in October, Coinbase Wallet iOS app stopped supporting NFT transactions. You might have seen that Coinbase Wallet for iOS does not anymore let you to transmit NFTs. This is because Apple held off on releasing our latest software until we disabled the feature, which is why it happened. On Thursday, the Coinbase Wallet account brought to our attention that NFTs are hit hard by Apple's mobile app store's steep 30% transaction tax. Developers risk having their apps deleted from the store if they fail to meet that criteria, regardless of whether they are explicitly restricted or not. Coinbase reports that Apple plans to charge a 30% cost for gas related with NFT transfers performed through the wallet app, as well as fees for Ethereum network transactions. But Coinbase insists it can't be done. This is obviously impossible for anyone familiar with blockchain technology and NFTs, Coinbase claims.